Oh, what's good, guys? It's currently the second day. So this is XAUUSD on 5 minutes time frame, and as you can see from here, I would have actually been on this trade, but I would have been on this trade on this sell, but I looked at it. The confirmation I saw wasn't convincing. Like, it wasn't worth my risk. So I cannot start risking 10% of my account on this particular confluence here. So that's why I didn't enter. So I just put this my position to see how the trade play out, then probably just take lessons from it. But it's still early. It's still early in the morning. It's just 10 a.m. Yeah, time is it 10 or 11? Okay, it's still 11 a.m. Currently 11 a.m. So the confirmation was not convincing. That's why I didn't enter. And the market today just, I don't know. What I'm expecting. I'm not seeing what I'm expecting. Let's hop onto the daily time frame. Let me check one or two. So yeah, on the daily time frame, fine. Price has taken out this level, this high here. Price has taken out this high here. So the reaction here, I don't know. There are just reactions around here after price took out the high. Then let me check 4 hours. On the 4 hours too, price came here, it closed down with a wick. Then we have this indecision candle here, then this bearish candle. If this 4 hours candle can close around here, that's like an evening star on the high, and it's like a sell confirmation. But remember, and one of the reasons I didn't still sell on that trade, I didn't enter that trade on sell, because if you check the overall trend, is a buy, like it's a bullish trend. So buyers are still dominant. The only way I can start maybe looking out for sales on good is when I start seeing lows being violated. When I start seeing lows being violated, like the hourly time frame. When I start seeing, for instance, now if this low gets violated, that's the first one. Then okay, look at what I'm expecting for me to hop on the sell. If this particular low gets violated, then it forms a lower high, then probably coming back again. Okay, something like retesting this level. Now if this low gets violated and it comes to retest it, then if I see that my confirmation around this level, I'll be going on the short and taking my profit around here, around the new low. So I don't know if you guys understand, but I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So those market is just being sketchy today. That's why I can't just start risking my 10% on the sketchy market. I have to be sure of my confirmation before I enter any trade. It was quite hard. It was very, very tempting to click on the sell button, but I didn't want to. So I can't just do that. Trading is not really easy, actually. Trading is not easy. I know the kind of emotions I went through not to click on that sell. Although it's going well, but if it went the other way, I would have regretted it. And anything regret, I don't like it in trade. Like yesterday, I took that loss yesterday on day one. I didn't regret it because I know that I followed my rule. I didn't regret anything. There was no regret. So that's it. Process over profit. Just trusting the process and all of that. So for me to buy now, if I want to buy, fine, we have a trend line here. Price has to come back to this zone to tap on this zone for me to buy again. Price has to tap on this zone, then give me that neckline, that neckline break confirmation that I usually look out for. It has to come and tap on this zone, then give me that neckline confirmation. Then coming back to take out this neckline, I'll enter for a buy. Then I'll be targeting I'll be targeting this, either this high or this high, any of it, targeting it for a buy. But if price doesn't do that, I'm not gonna buy yet. So I'll just keep you guys updated. Sorry for the fact that the way the screen is being shaky. I'm just using one hand to hold the camera. So let's see how it goes. Then for a sell, price has to take out. There was a particular level I had on the hourly time frame. on the hourly time frame, there was okay, this level fine, price has to take out this level, give me come down again, then going up to retest it, then seeing that confirmation, I hop in on a sell, and I'll sell to around this level, this region. So you feel me? That's just it, guys. I'll catch you guys soon.
Yeah, I was in on a buy at this point. I was in on the buy at this point. I would have actually explained why or what I saw before entering the buy, but unfortunately, I didn't have time for that. I didn't want to miss out on the setup. I decided to enter first before I explain. So, but unfortunately, I got stopped out while I was just even recording this, so I didn't really waste time on the trade. So watch how I got stopped out.
So guys, I don't know, that stuff just happened so fast. You feel me? So um within 10 minutes I was wiped out. So from what I can see now, most times after you've taken a loss, that's when you know what's up. Like you can figure out the mistakes you made. I try as much as possible to follow the rule, to follow my rule today. And as you can see from here, I deleted something just now. Sorry. I deleted something just now. Okay, yeah. I deleted this stuff just now. I deleted this position just now because I was about to enter this position, but I didn't really enter because it didn't give me what I was expecting. I was expecting price to tap inside this level, like this week now. Assuming this week came to touch this particular level, and then I would have entered for a sell at this level, but it didn't touch it. So I would have, assuming this particular week touched this level, I would have considered this level as the first leg. Then this level now be the second leg. This particular pull up will be the second leg, but it didn't get here. So I consider the whole of this as the first leg. So that's why I didn't enter. But assuming this guy came into this zone, assuming it came to tap inside here, then came down again, then went up, and here I would have entered around here. But that didn't happen. So that's that for that. So I didn't take this trade. It was invalid to me, although it went in my direction, but it was invalid to me. So then as for this one now, as for this buy, I tried as much as possible, yeah, to be cautious before I enter this buy. Okay, why did I enter for a buy at this level? On the 4 hours time frame, we have okay. On the 4 hours time frame, assuming price got to this level, I would have been expecting to buy. But aside the 4 hours time frame, aside this 4 hours level, I have a daily level here. This is the level from the 4 hours. When price came here, I would have bought from here. When I see my neckline confirmation, I would have bought from here. But price didn't eventually get here. So this is on the daily time frame, on the daily level. Sorry, this is the daily level. To see the daily level, look at it from here, from the daily time frame. So this is that daily level that price broke out from. So this is daily level. Then back to the 4 hours level. So good. So price broke out of this level and came back to retest. How many times? It retested one, twice. It retested for 2 times. So I was expecting to to buy from this daily level if I see the neckline confirmation. So now jumping down to the 1 hour time frame, I still have a level on the 1 hour time frame. I have a level on the 1 hour time frame. I have this level here, then this that daily level. So on the 1 hour time frame, what was I expecting? I was expecting if I see the neckline confirmation on the 1 hour's level, I'll still buy. So look how now happened. If I was to buy from this 1 hour level, I will enter, my entry will be on 5 minutes time frame. But if I was to buy from this daily level, my entry will be on 15 minutes time frame. So let's hop to the 15 minutes time frame. Good. On the 15 minutes time frame now, assuming this happened, I was expecting the neckline confirmation on the 15 minutes time frame. Let me shift this guy. I was expecting a neckline confirmation on the 15 minutes time frame. This would have been a neckline. This would have been a neckline. Then my entry would be on the next candle. My entry would have been around here. But that didn't happen. Look at what now happened. Look at what happened. So price came to this hourly level. Okay, price came to this hourly level. As it came to this hourly level, it created a wick. It got rejected. Sorry. On this hour, price came to this hourly level, then it broke out of the hourly level. As it broke out from the hourly level, it then went up again, like pulled up to the upside. For the fact that it broke this hourly level, as after I've taken this loss, I'm realizing this now. For the fact that it has broken this hourly level, this hourly level is kind of invalidated already. But unfortunately, I didn't take note of that until after I have taken the loss. That's when I took note of it, that this hourly level has been invalidated. But assuming, see, it got to this hourly level the first time, it didn't close below with a full body. It just rejected and went up. It got here again, it didn't close with a full body, then rejected. But this time around, it closed with a full body. So which is now making it to get invalidated. So as it has been invalidated now, I thought it was still valid. Like, I didn't see it until after the loss. So as it has been invalidated, I wouldn't have considered the 5 minutes time frame again. I would have just taken my whole thing from this 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, I would have just waited for the neckline on the 15 minutes time frame to enter from the 15 minutes time frame. But unfortunately, that didn't happen. So I thought the hourly level was still valid. See, it was broken, then still came back. I thought it was still valid, and I regarded this as neckline because we have two candles closing below this level, 1, 2. Then the candle that will close above with a full body, I had my entry around here. Let me just do this guy. I had my entry around here. Then, because this was the candle that took it, I had my entry around here. If I'm not mistaken, yeah, around here. Then my stop loss below this particular low. Then my target was on this side level, which was about 1:2 point something. Yeah, which was around 1:2 point something. Yeah, 2.88. So the trade, you see, I recorded on my phone, but while I was recording, I wanted to just record on my phone after I've entered the trade, then come here to explain the trade to you guys. But unfortunately, before I was able to do that, I already stopped out the filming, so that was why. But now I'm just explaining the whole thing. I don't know if you understand, but I just hope you understand. So now, in case of next time, what did I learn from this trade now? From this trade now, in case of next time, as long as the level has been breached with a full body candle, I won't consider it a valid anymore, because assuming this whole stuff, the assuming price reversed from this level now, probably this neckline would have been valid. But price didn't reverse, price breached it, then came back again to form a neckline. That's already invalidated. And you just now remember that Samuel Tochi, the person that owns the strategy, the owner of the strategy, I realized that in one of his classes, he explained something like that, that if it was breached, that is no longer valid, you wait for a new neckline to form. So as long as I've seen that this guy is invalid now, I would have entered from the 15. I would have considered the 15 minutes. This level would have been invalidated. Then I would have entered from, like, this one is the active level currently. This one is the level that is valid now. I would have entered from the 15 minutes time frame. and yeah, then maybe targeting this 4 hours level and all of that. But what has happened, and we've lost our trade for today. So it's just left for me to take correction and implement it in my other trades. So let me just switch to my face so you guys can see my face and see the reaction and everything. So that's basically it, guys. We had another loss today. Yeah, day two is a loss. So I've seen my mistake, and I'll try as much as possible to implement that. It's not actually easy, like the emotions and all of that. Even after I didn't take that first trade, the emotions I went through and all of that. Trading is not actually easy. Like, it's not easy. As long as that emotion is there, the fact that you can lose your real money, that emotion, as long as it's there, it's not really easy. So dealing with emotions, but I tried as much as possible. I can commend myself for my risk management. I didn't revenge trade. I didn't open out that position after hitting stop loss. I didn't adjust my stop loss. All of those other minor stuff didn't happen. I was able to keep that in check. So I can commend myself for that, for keeping all of this stuff in check. And yeah, risk management was in check. The only thing is I just didn't take note of that level being invalidated. That was just it. So I've taken note of that. And when you have people around you, like when you are trading, okay, my friends now, like for the fact that we are doing this thing together and their money is actually involved in this, the three of us, we actually contributed to do this. It actually tells a lot on me, because their money is at stake. Like, their money is in my head. I am responsible if their money is lost. Although they've accepted the risks, they are willing to risk the amount of money that they put into the account. They are willing to risk it. So if they lose it, it's not that they'll start it has anything to affect their life or anything. It's something that we've accepted. We are willing to risk it. So that's why it's good when you're trading. Don't trade the money you cannot afford to lose. They can afford to lose it. So even me, I can afford to lose it. So that's just it. So I'll just try as much as possible to be careful tomorrow. If I'll see an opportunity, I'll try as much as possible to take note of those levels, and I'll just go back to studying. As I'm done with this video now, I'll just go back to watching my lectures, like Samuel Tucci's video. So I'll just keep getting better and all of that. So 2 out of 10, 2 over 10. We've lost 2 remaining 8 chances. Let's see how it goes. So that's just it, guys. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.